ByStephieNics and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're gonna be making pumpkin butter s'mores, and yes, it does taste as good as it sounds. Prepare yourself. It's really simple to make. It's basically just your regular old s'mores, but with a little twist, a little elevated with the pumpkin butter. It's the perfect fall treat, and I am so excited to make it and even more excited to taste it, so let's jump right in. First things first, we're gonna make the pumpkin butter. It's a very simple process. It's just 6 ingredients. Basically, you throw it in a pot, bring it to a boil, stir for like 20-30 minutes, and that's it. But we're gonna do it together. I'm gonna talk you through it. First ingredient into the pot is pumpkin puree. You're just gonna dump in a whole 15-ounce can. This one is 30, so I'm gonna put in half of this. Next up is 1/6 of a cup of apple cider. I love apple cider, like Thanksgiving in a bottle. Next, you pour in 1/4 cup of maple syrup. Don't put the maple syrup away just yet, because at the end, if the pumpkin butter isn't sweet enough, you can add a little more of this. Next is 1/2 tablespoon of vanilla extract, possibly my favorite baking ingredient because that smells so good, so good. Next, you got 1/2 tablespoon of pumpkin pie spice. If you don't have pumpkin pie spice, you can make it yourself. You just Google, it's a few ingredients, you just mix it together. Little DIY hack, and you just give this a smell. Oh my god, I just want to eat this out of the bottle. I might. Next, you pour in 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Honestly, this recipe has like every classic fall ingredient. And then this is kind of like the bonus 7th ingredient, just 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt to bring out the flavor. So once you've got all your ingredients in the pot, you're just gonna bring it to a gentle boil over medium heat. And then you're gonna cook that for around 20 to 30 minutes, stirring often, and you're gonna see it's gonna start like thickening up. And you wanna get it to the consistency where it's thick, but still spreadable. Once you got the consistency looking good, you're gonna taste test it. You wanna see if it's sweet enough for your liking. If it isn't, you just throw in a little more maple syrup at this point. And once all that's sorted, you can take it off from the heat and let it cool. It's definitely gonna thicken up a little more as it cools, so watch for that. Down in the description box, I'm gonna link the original recipe that I've been following if you wanna see it, on paper. And then also I'll include like storage information, like what do you wanna store it in, how long can it stay in the fridge, in the freezer, all that stuff. I got you. Now that our pumpkin butter is off to the side and cooling, we are gonna start on our s'mores. And you might be wondering, how's she gonna make it? Are we gonna build a fire in the kitchen? No, we are not. I mean, like kind of, but like a safe one. For my birthday last year, my brother gifted me a s'mores maker, so we're gonna be using that today. It is the coolest thing. Let me bring it out. I've got the box right here. We're gonna be using the ceramic s'mores maker from the brand Chicago Metallic. It's really simple to set up and use, and it honestly, again, just elevates the whole s'mores experience. So if you're looking to up your s'mores game, that's what we're talking about today. We're gonna get you there, trust. The only semi-complicated and dangerous part of this s'mores maker is that you have to use fuel. They say that you have to use ethanol gel chafing fuel. This is what's gonna be giving you that fire to roast your marshmallows, so definitely make sure you have an adult around if you're a little too young to be using this by yourself. Once you've got your s'mores maker all set up and you've got the little fire burning, we can get on to assembling our s'mores. Our s'more? What's the singular of s'mores? Is it s'more? I don't know about that. For our s'mores ingredients today, we are going to be using the classic just graham crackers, marshmallows, and chocolate. The graham crackers that I'm going to be using are from Honey Made. Not gonna lie, I did Google best graham crackers for s'mores, and this is what came up, so I did my research. And then obviously just a big old bowl of marshmallows. Do you guys remember the Chubby Bunny challenge? Oh my god, that just popped back into my head. You had to like see how many marshmallows you could fit in your mouth and still say Chubby Bunny? Okay, wow. Random throwback memory. A little nostalgia today. And then obviously we need some chocolate to pull the whole thing together. I'm gonna be using a Hershey's because you can't make s'mores without Hershey's chocolate, okay? Can't be done. So to assemble our little gourmet s'mores, what you're gonna do is take a graham cracker and cut it in half, like it's perforated, so just break it in half. On 1/2 the graham cracker, this is where you're gonna be using your pumpkin butter, so you're just gonna spread a nice even amount all over the cracker. Don't miss the corners, rookie mistake. And then for the other half, you're just gonna break off 3 pieces of the Hershey bar and just lay it across the middle. Now we've got our graham cracker prepped, and we gotta toast our marshmallow. The s'mores maker comes with 4 of these little like marshmallow roasting forks is what they call it. And this is what you're gonna use to roast up that schmallow. So you're just gonna pop a marshmallow nice on that fork there, and you're just gonna roast it over our little s'mores and making fire. Not too close or it will catch on fire, but you just hold it a nice distance away, turn it, get it all nice and toasted. I like it almost fully black, but roast to your preference. Once you got the marshmallow looking how you want it, you're just gonna take it away and kind of clamp it between the pre-made graham cracker sandwich. You're just gonna smush it all onto there. The heat of the marshmallow is gonna get the chocolate all nice and melty. The marshmallow, chocolate, and pumpkin butter are all gonna just like meld together into the most amazing tasting s'mores that you've ever had. I'm such a fan of this recipe, not only because it makes amazing tasting s'mores, but also because there's like a fun community communal aspect to it. Obviously I made it alone today, but last year, like on Thanksgiving when I had a whole bunch of family over, we put out the s'mores maker before the meal and everyone got so into it, roasting their marshmallows, throwing the pumpkin butter on there. It was so much fun. This year not gonna be able to have all my extended family over, but with my core fam, we're definitely gonna be roasting up some pumpkin butter s'mores, and it'll be a great time. Hope you guys enjoyed hanging out in my kitchen and baking with me today. I had a super fun time. I've been wanting to do another baking video for such a long time. Fun fact, the only other baking video that I have was actually, I think, the third ever on my channel. I made these absolutely incredible apple cider donuts, and they're baked, so they're not super unhealthy. Definitely check that out. I'll have that link below. Hi. You wanna say hello? Okay. Rocky wanted to join us for the little outro. He had a fun time watching me make these s'mores, and if you did too, he wants you to leave a like on this video, so do it for Rocky. I'll be so tired. If you had fun and you want to catch more videos, definitely subscribe and ring the bell right next to it to join the notification club. Will you join the notification club for me? Would you do that? My little buddy. Okay, Rocky wants to hang out, so I'm gonna wrap this thing up. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and as always, this is ByStephieNics. Bye. Say bye, little cutie. Let's test this out. I want to chip a nail. Wow, okay. Calm down, calm down. Oh, can someone call Rocky into the other room? He's trying to eat my s'more. Smells good. Hello, hello. Oh, don't kiss me.